This is the race rail Skylight safety kit. It's a patented safety rail system for skylight protection. It's one of a kind. It's a non-penetrating product. Typically, when guys are working on skylights, they'll use nets. And what makes this so nice is that a net comes down to the surface of the roof, and when a worker lifts up the net to do the detailed work, they're now not compliant with OSHA because they're exposing themselves to the issue of a fall hazard. So the nice thing about our system is it lets the worker work up the curb, do his detailed work, and still have the protection. The system can be put up by 2 people at one time. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. The setup is designed to be a compression fit, so you will adjust the L screws, get it on the skylight, pull it tight, tighten up the L screws, and you got a compression fit, and it locks onto the skylight.